How to delete your messages for everyone on Telegram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to firstly open any of the chat that you want, and then you have to long hold the any of the chats. So when you long hold the chats, then you can see all the options. You can choose any of the chats that you want. You can choose all the chats. You can choose uh, any of the chats that you want. You can choose, and then you have to click on the trace icon in the top right corner. When you click on this, then you can see it is saying that also delete for your friend name. So it is saying that also delete for your friend name. So you have to tick this box, and then you have to click on the delete. And I have deleted this post from deleted these messages from everyone. It means I have deleted this post for me and my friends that I have sent this post. So that's basically that how you can delete the Telegram post or for everywhere. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.